Since the start of the premium trading signals group, we have had over 11 winning trades and over a 70% win rate. So if you want to join this group and learn more about trading crypto, make sure to check out the links down in the pinned comment for both the Telegram and the Discord group, where you can find more information on how to join the signals group. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on SSV Network, which is a crypto I have actually never covered before, which has become quite a rare thing since starting YouTube over like 1.5 years ago. But yeah, I have never covered it, but it's been very, very bullish, and it was brought to my attention by some of you yesterday, and I saw it, but I never really paid any attention to it because it's, to be honest, I might have covered SSV Network, but I'm not sure. But yeah, it's very bullish right now. Volume is up to 64 million. It has entered the top 100 in terms of tokens. It's also the most bullish one in there. And it also, I mean, it's one of the cryptos that has definitely rallied because of the whole Ethereum Shanghai upgrade rally, which most cryptos like Lido DAO, Rocket Pool, that really have a direct effect or are directly affected by the Shanghai upgrade. They have already rallied, but SSV has kind of been under the radar. And it's been very, very bullish. I mean, right now, I'd say it's one of the best holdings in the entire bear market. And from like the beginning of the new year, we're up quite a bit. We're up like 370%, which at least to my knowledge has been quite under the radar. If you're watching this video, you know SSV, so you probably don't think that's true, but still, it's my perception. So the big question right now, I wanted to take a deep dive into the technicals, right? I mean, fundamentally, we know SSV Network is bullish because of the whole narrative around staking, Ethereum staking, basically, Ethereum 2.0 staking. So we know fundamentally it's bullish. The market, apart from that, is not ideal right now, with Bitcoin kind of around 23,140 since well, the entire night. But yeah, the main question is can we actually break above $45 and get towards $50, which would be an amazing milestone. Of course, it's a very strong resistance level as well. That's perhaps a little bit more on the bad side, but still, it's great to get there. So the big question is can we do that? We just hit our newest resistance level. Which is, I mean, right now SSV is behaving very, very normally. You can practically see that we have resistance levels, and if we break above that and stay on top of that, we also go up even more, and we're just following this trend very, very nicely. At some point, obviously, that's going to stop. $50 would be the ideal target, but that level we just touched between 43 and 45 is also a pretty strong target. First of all, SSV reacts quite well to key levels with $5 increments. So 45, $40 was respected for a while. 35 was respected right here. And then we go to 30, that was respected the first time. And then 25 also respected. So you know what I'm saying. But apart from that, we also have the 2.618 FIP there, which is also respected. So it's a strong resistance level. And therefore, I think we're going to drop down. Now, the only way in which we could quickly get to $50 is if we find support at this minor support level at $41 and immediately break above 43. If we can do that, we're going up to $50 pretty quickly. I just don't think this is the most likely scenario. I think the resistance is too strong for that. But it's a scenario you should keep in mind. So if you now see that we find a lot of support at 41, we break above 43, you know what's happening. I think it's more likely that Shore will find some support at 40, 41, but that will just find more resistance at 43 afterwards. And that will drop down to this level between 38 and ultimately 36. But let's say 38 and 36.5, which is a major support. I think we'll find support there. If we can actually hold that support for 3 days, then I think we'll just continue this bullish momentum and this uptrend. Right now, that has been the structure we have been following. I mean, right here, for example, we broke above this major resistance level around $32. Then we dropped down to that level. We held that for a couple of days, and then we continued the uptrend. Here we broke above. Then we held the support level for a couple of days. Then we went to the next level. So that's really the main thing I'm looking out for. We're going to drop down there. If we can hold that, great. We'll continue it. If we'll drop down below 36.5, it's probably over. 45 was the top, and then we'll probably consolidate more on top of $32. So yeah, that's my full analysis. If you have any questions, of course, let me know. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching, and bye.